swag for your door for the holidays. And swags are great for a lot of different reasons. They don't take very many supplies, they don't take as much time as making a wreath, and they're way easier.
Oh, and welcome to Lady Wisdom Speaks Academy. My name is Dr. Catherine Constant, and it's so good to be with you here today. Soon I'm going to show you my Christmas tree that my husband bought me, and I'm going to go through the process of decorating it. I'm so excited. I'm just a little tired right now, so I haven't really rushed to do it, but I'm going to show you my Christmas tree and the decorations in the house. And I also have a swag, a door swag. Today I was watching Laura from Garden Answer, and she put together a door swag.
I've got pretty much everything I need to make a swag that looks pretty much like this on my table. So I'm going to set this one aside and just kind of go through this stuff. So I've got a noble fir bough right here. This is actually going to be our form. This is what we're going to build the whole swag on top of because it's nice and sturdy. But you can use whatever you have on hand. Like if you have a blue spruce out in your garden, use a branch off of that.
Oh my, I have a great idea.
So if you've got a really big door, you'll need a little
I'm going to use my Christmas tree.
I've got some polar gold.
And my husband just bought me our Christmas tree. We brought it in, and I saw some branches that were not really even, and I decided that I would clip off those bottom branches and create my own door swag. So here are the branches, and I'm going to put it together. I'm going to use this ribbon here that I got from the dollar store, and then I have some other Christmas ornaments that I'm going to possibly put on the swag. I think I have a Christmas bell that I'm going to add to the swag. And thank Laura from Garden Answer for coming up with this beautiful idea.
Polar gold arborvitae right here, and I'm using this because it's got such a nice contrast.
What a
color
wonderful
and texture
thought.
to the fir. It's got little yellow tips there, and it's a little bit more ferny and lightly textured.
I have some branches at the bottom of my Christmas tree that I'm going to use to make a swag.
Just a couple of
Look at
pine
that.
branches, little ones.
What a great
And then
idea.
I've got one
I'm so glad that I saw it this morning, and that I can put it together now and add it to my other decor, because you know I just did a Christmas wreath from the dollar store, the Dollar Tree. I went to the Dollar Tree and I put together a Christmas wreath, and now I'm going to make a door swag. I just got to figure out where I'm going to put it because now the wreath is on the door, but I'm sure I could find a little spot somewhere in the house for it. So let me get started. I finished the project and it came out pretty good. I like it. It's simple. The branches, you could see the textures of it, and it gives it such character. I like also the bow. That bow is from the Dollar Tree. The ribbon, actually. The ribbon's from the Dollar Tree. And the ornament, the bell, I had that a couple of years back. I think someone put it on one of my children's presents as an ornament, and it just came in handy for this Christmas swag. Yes, I like it. And I put it between the two pictures here in the entryway, so then as people walk in, they will see that little taste of Christmas. They will see the brightness, the life, and the excitement of Christmas there. And then they'll enter in, and voila, there's the Christmas tree. So thank you, Laura, for suggesting this project. I think it came out good, and it's only going to be here for the month of December. So this worked out really well. Thank you. just having a lot of fun, just exploring Christmas. This is a beautiful season and the time for us to really kind of, get out and enjoy and let the spirit of joy fill us. Because there's so many negative things happening in the world today that we need to find the things that make us happy and give our spirits a chance to be joyful, and sing some Christmas carols and enjoy life. Yes, because the garden is pretty much asleep. It's kind of hard for us to really get into the garden that much because of the fact that it's kind of brown and green, but we can go on and enjoy the holidays. That's why I like the holidays, because in this time when there isn't a lot of sunlight or natural light, there are the Christmas lights, yes, to make us happy, and our Christmas trees. Now, soon I'm going to show you my Christmas tree. I put it together. Well, I haven't put it together yet. Okay, if you like this video, then like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below and let me know what you think. Have a great day. Bye.